every day you need to check this place, and the place should be have enough ink. You can see it's enough form of it, and there many ink. You need to check every day. Now open the software and open the machine. Now we start cleaning. Click the clean button and choose the hand clean and strong model. Now start clean. And we look there. Printhead and the ink station. It will be closed. You can see ink will be dropped down. It's normal. Now clean is finished. When clean finished, and we will choose check nozzle. This button. See, color test is good, but white there. Missing is not good, so this time we need to clean again. We need to clean again until print the test white is perfect. When you turn off the machine or leaving your printer, you should make sure the ink station and the print hand align. You can see left and the right closed align.